Hi! This video is part of a series about getting started with common tasks in Smart Remote Management. Today we'll learn how to use Smart Remote Management to lock the Settings app on SmartBoard interactive displays with iCUE. Locking the Settings app prevents others from changing a display's settings. We'll start by creating a lockdown certificate on a SmartBoard and saving it to a USB drive. We'll use that certificate to create a policy in Smart Remote Management. Connect a USB drive to the display. From the display's home screen, tap the Settings icon. Tap Security and then Lockdown Settings. Use the on-screen keyboard to give the lockdown certificate a name, then tap Done. Tap Create and the certificate is saved to the USB drive. When you create the lockdown certificate, the Settings app for the display is also locked. Tap Got It to close the window, then remove the USB drive. If this display isn't one of the ones you want to lock down, tap Unlock Settings and reconnect your USB drive. The display reads the certificate you just created and unlocks the settings. Next, we'll create a policy in Smart Remote Management that uses the lockdown certificate we just made to lock the Settings app on other displays. A Smart Remote Management policy consists of device settings that users can't change. At your computer, connect the USB drive and sign into Smart Remote Management. Click Repositories, then Policies. In the Policies window, click Add New, then SmartBoard. In the policy name box, type a name for the policy and click Settings Lockdown. Move the Set Key slider to the right and click Upload File. In the dialog that appears, browse to and select the .key file on the USB drive. Click Open, then Confirm. This adds our new policy to the list. Now that we've created a policy, we can apply it to other displays and remotely lock their Settings app. Close the Policies window and then click Devices to show a list of connected displays. You can apply the policy to one or multiple displays. To apply it to multiple displays, click Filter Groups to see the groups that you've set up. Choose a filter from the list and select the displays you want to apply the new setting to. In the top menu, select Actions, then Policies. Select the lockdown policy and then click Apply. For more tips and tricks, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit smarttech.com. Thanks for watching.